Authorities that rule Pakistan have passed the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Amendment 2025 with sweeping controls on social media. It is being called a draconian law, a black law, since it will further tighten the government's grip over Pakistan's heavily controlled digital landscape. It has been passed by both the houses of the parliament and later signed by President Asif Ali Zardari too. The PICA law was first passed in 2016 and it triggered widespread criticism from civil society, human rights organizations, and most importantly, journalists. The reason was potential for harmful impact on the right to freedom of expression and access to information in the country. The fear has been confirmed as journalists and political opposition has been targeted incessantly since then. Moreover, Twitter, now X, a soaring political space, has been banned since February 2024 in Pakistan. The 2025 amendment will introduce a criminal offense against those spreading so called false and fake information, imposing on them 3 years of imprisonment, including a fine. Also, the framing of some elements of the offense are very vague and ambiguous, leaving room for malpractice and political or journalistic victimization, persecution, and political point scoring. The main contention is lack of consultation with the main stakeholders and rushed passage of law. This is also not in line with human rights standards according to the Amnesty International. In the garb of prevention of false and fake news per se, the ruling coalition that claims to be champion of democracy is ruthlessly curbing freedom of expression, one of the main assets of a democratic system. In the end, the question arises, were there no other ways or methods to verify online info and news if government is so concerned about authenticity? The journalists that are targeted want an answer right now, right here.